Mrs. Hope. How are you doing? I hope you are staying safe. Please continue staying safe and wishing to see you soon. Today's lesson will be looking at percentage. And under this percentage, we'll be looking at the signs or the symbols used in representing percentage. And then after that, we'll be able to change fraction to percentage. So that means that by the end of this lesson, I'm expecting you to be able to show me the sign of percentage. Just as if I ask you to show me the plus sign, you will write this for me on the board. If I ask you to show me the minus sign, you will write this. If I ask you to show me the division sign, you will write this, and other mathematical symbols and signs that you know. So at the end of this, you should be able to do what? Show me the symbol of percentage and also change percentage to fraction. But before then, what is percentage? A percentage shows an amount as a part of 100. It shows an amount as a part of 100, just as when you get your results, after looking at your score, at the end you look at your average score, you will see maybe 98%, or you will see 70%, as the case may be. That means that the result that you've gotten has been converted into percent, and you are now seeing what you've gotten out of 100. That's what we say, that it shows an amount as a part of 100. Then any number can be written as a part of 100 or a percentage. Any number, no matter whether it's 10, 5, 8, we can write it as what? Part of 100 or as a percentage. We also say that percent means per 100. Percent means what? Per 100. And then the symbol, just as I said, you must show me the sign, or you'll be able to indicate the sign for percentage. This is the sign used to show percentage. This sign shows percentage symbol. This is the symbol used to indicate percentage. Now, if you count this thing that I've drawn, this square, small squares, is up to 100. That means this square is 100% and this one is 50. When you count them very well, they are 50 and this is 100. And then what is the next thing? I said that we'll be able to change fraction to percentage. For example, if we are given 2/5 to change to percent, this is what we do. Remember that I said that percent is what? Per 100. So for us to change this, we simply say 2/5 times 100/1, because we say that percent means per 100, and then we can divide. Remember I say use denominator to divide numerator. 5 can divide itself to give you 1, and then when we use 5 to divide 100, we are going to get 20, because 5 times 20 is 100. That means changing 2/5 to percentage will give us 40%. After everything, you must put your sign, the symbol. Somebody asks, how do we get this 40%? We simply multiply the two numbers up. That is 2 times 20, and we have 40%. Then to change 3/4 to percent, this 3/4 is in fraction, and we are changing it to percent. It's still the same method, because we say that percent means per 100. So we simply say 3/4 times 100. Then you can use 4. 4 can divide 100. 4 divide itself will give you 1. 4 divide 100 will give you 25. Remember, I always say that numerator will multiply numerator. Don't divide numerator. Once you have two numerator, multiply them. But if you have numerator and denominator and they can divide, then you go ahead and divide. Now, when we multiply this, we are going to have 3 times 25 will give us what? 75%. This is just the easiest way to change fraction to percentage. I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, you ask me a question, I will answer any of your questions. Thanks for listening. But don't forget to go to Class Dojo to write your classwork and do your assignments.